Everyone. Thanks for watching. Today, I am going to show you how I like to save time using the grep command and the dash option when we use CD or change directory. So really quick, when do I use grep? When I'm looking for anything, when I use ls or cat, stuff like that. So in the get tech directory, check this out. So we have tests and things. Sometimes we have way more stuff and I don't really want to read it. So how do I search through it? I'm going to use the grep command. Let's go find things. So I'm going to say, hey, list all the things in the directory, list all the files and folders in the directory. Then we're going to pass that to grep, which is going to filter out everything except things to see, hey, does things exist or not? So it does. So without having to manually go read everything with hundreds of files or directories, this is super helpful. Next thing I'm going to show you is using the dash option with CD or change directory. So what I like to do is use this when I need to go back to the last directory I was in. So for example, this is going to get us back to get tech. I can also go back up to desktop. And then I'm going to CD get tech things. If I use CD back again, it's going to get me back to desktop. Super cool. This saves me a lot of time when I'm working day-to-day basis. Hope you guys learned something, and this will save you time throughout your day. So don't forget to use grep when you need to find something in a big file structure, and use the CD dash command when you need to get back to the last directory. Hope you enjoyed everything. Yeah, hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.